It's a live tool sub spindle machine. Right now we're running the sub spindle at 1,000 RPM. Now it's 250. Live tooling. Main spindle now at 100 RPM, 1000 RPM, going to high gear, 3500 RPM, 2500 RPM. Back low gear at 500 RPM. And we'll do a quick walk around. We've got the fluid pedal, miscellaneous items. There's the serial number plate, serial number 68801, manufactured February of 2005. This machine does have the through spindle coolant, so it's got the 2 pumps, remote jog handle, some of the other options on the machine is auto door. That concludes the video inspection of the 2005 Haas TL-25.